Heavy rains flood low lying areas in Muscat. A sudden downpour, accompanied by a thunderstorm, flooded low lying areas and wadis in Muscat. Civil Defense Department swung into action to rescue trapped vehicles. Lightning and thunder accompanied the showers late on Sunday night. It rained intermittently until yesterday afternoon. Met officials said the low pressure will intensify and bring more rains in the next 48 hours, especially over northern parts of the country. The weather condition is expected to remain unsettled in Muscat and Musandam and the regions of Al Batinah, Al Dhahirah, Al Dakhiliyah and Al Sharqiyah. Moderate to heavy showers, accompanied by thunder and winds, are expected in the northern areas of Oman today. Wet weather conditions are also likely in the Wusta region and parts of Dhofar governorate. Many shops and commercial establishments in the Rui business district remained closed in anticipation of a prolonged showers. Elsewhere in the country, heavy rains were reported in Dibba in Musandam governorate and the wilayats of Shinas, Al Awabi, Rostak, and Nakhl in the Batinah region. Samail and Bid also received intense showers. Met Office has predicted cloudy sky in Musandam and Muscat governorates.